So Alysse, what are we doing today?
We're going to buy a camper.
So if you want to see that, stick around. Alright, this is a 298 bunkhouse. And I don't know if it's got the outdoor kitchen. Oops. Yes, it does. It has the outdoor kitchen as well. That's good.
Outdoor kitchen?
Yeah. It's got the never adjust easy lube axles. You can hook up your cable TV or satellite out here.
I mean, can you order it with that kind of?
I don't know.
What's wrong?
I was just wondering. I liked how big the shower and everything was in the other one,
Yeah, but
and how the sink was in the bathroom.
so this is basically what we had before, but the couch was turned the other way.
Yeah.
So this couch was turned sideways. So
I think that's how the 26 is.
yeah, let's go look at that. But this is fine too. But this is a 29/8, so it's probably 31, 32 feet long.
Okay, you can sit here, but I also don't like how this is closed off.
Why?
Because you had the TV would swing and everyone would be able to watch TV.
Well, you
Well,
put a
it's right
TV
there.
right here for the
Yeah,
people
but-
out here.
I think he means back there.
No, well, you can't. No. If you want to watch TV, you sit on the couch. That's a rule.
I think this turns into a bed too, though.
Yeah, it does. So that way, this sleeps two. You can get two here, two there, and two there. So
4 back there. That's not a bed. Does it pull out?
Yeah.
Because there's storage under there.
no, I think it pulls out. Lift it up at least.
There's storage under there.
Yeah, I know, but it's a bed. You gotta. It is just.
Yeah. It's,
We don't want to break it. And there's a lot more storage in here too. So, all right, let's go look. This is a 298
bunkhouse.
bunkhouse. So here we are. We're testing out the camper we think we're gonna get. What were you saying there, pork chop?
It fits a large male.
The 6'4" kid can fit in the bunk.
Okay, so this is the old 224 bunkhouse from Jayco. And I think this is what we're going to end up with. We're going to go look at a couple other ones. See if we want a slightly larger, but I think this is what we're going to go with.
Not my haters.
No slide. Storage.
I don't know how.
It's got a queen bed up front.
You gonna turn around and slide down? Like I got in?
It's, oh wait, there's Thomas blocking the shot. Okay.
He's 6'4" and he can fit and walk around nicely.
Yeah, he's a portly boy. So anyways, portly. So it's got basically a good size refrigerator freezer.
It has a port for my first.
It's
It's in the radio.
and it's got a TV mounted.
Alright, let's see how I'm gonna get down.
So this is what I think we may be going for. And
Watch me fall out of the bunk.
oh yeah, Alysse gracefully getting out of the bunk.
I did it.
And there's storage up there.
And the radio with the USB and
Yeah,
HDMI.
HDMI and Bluetooth.
Okay.
So
I think there's these cords back here
yeah, they go
that
in.
plug into the TV. Okay. So
Here, let
I
me
guess
get
you
over.
could do HDMI and you could also
Yeah.
plug it in there.
Hey, lift the bed up. I want to see if there's storage under there. And there's storage.
It connects to the two. To the pass-through. Yeah, the pass-through.
Oh, okay. And there's the tire cover. And there's the accessories. Okay. Yeah, a little like curtains.
Like you're on the train. Oh look, this stays up, so you don't have to hold it.
Cool. Cool. And there's Thomas again, being troublemaker that he is. Alright, and so out here, it has the outdoor kitchen with another refrigerator, which is awesome. So if you're out here and you're drinking beer and you don't want to go in and wake up the people that are sleeping inside, you can do that. I think it's got like a 2-burner stove. It's got the awning. I think it's set up for solar as well. There you go. It's a 224 bunkhouse. It's got the jacks. This unit is solar ready. Yeah, it goes all the way underneath the bed.
Storage in there.
Do what? Yeah, that's so you can keep the hitch and all that other stuff up under there, and chairs and. So, all right, we're gonna go look at another one. This is the 264 bunkhouse. It does not have the outside kitchen. This is what we had before.
No, we had 28 or 29.
No, I know, but this is 28.
I think it might be 27.
Yeah,
This is 27.
This is the exact same model we had before. They just have a different name for it.
Yes, dear.
Because it had the couch that I slept on, the bunk beds.
I think this
264 BH.
I still like the other bathroom, I think.
Yeah, but I mean, other than that, this has more storage.
This has more storage. I like how the TV's mounted. I like that it has a table in it.
There.
There's
So
a
what do you
back
think,
there.
Thomas? This is the one?
I don't know. I don't know if this one gets my vote. I liked how open the other one was.
Yeah, well, I like how private.
And you can put another TV. So there's a TV mount in here.
Yeah.
And a TV here.
Yeah.
You can watch all the NASCAR you want.
Get your campground.
I think this one gets my vote though.
Can't
But it doesn't have the outdoor kitchen now that I think about it too. So maybe
It
not.
doesn't?
No,
Oh, I like
maybe
the
I have to-
outdoor kitchen. Yeah.
but it's got more room.
Oh,
Maybe I'll have to reconsider my. I
My
definitely
allegiance.
think it's between this one and the 24. Though.
Ooh, and all of them, I just realized all of them have electric awnings. That's cool.
Yeah.
Just more storage.
this one doesn't have. I mean, it's still under the.
I don't know, Alysse.
Carefree outdoor patio speaker.
Oh, right there,
I
yeah.
still like the 24.
This one's got a bigger awning. Substantially bigger awning.
Yeah, let's go back and look at the 24 awning. The awning in the 224 BH is shorter because it can't cover the stove, so it won't burn. Same thing over on this one. You can't see it.
Actually, that one covers the stove.
Really? Oh yeah, it does. The 298 BH covers the stove.
Awning, it has a big bathroom, it has the bunk beds.
So this one has an outdoor kitchen. 242 BHS. Jesus, we went from having a 20-footer to.
And the only difference
This one's
is
smaller than the other one.
it doesn't have a couch.
But it has the unit.
No, but I mean it has the big table.
Hmm. And dual doors to the
We can
bath.
mount a TV here.
Yeah. Huh.
Has a big bathroom like you like.
It has the outdoor kitchen and the awning.
Outdoor kitchen with the awning over the outdoor kitchen.
Okay, I like this one. I think Thomas is on to something.
Okay, so this is the 242 BHS with a slide. And all right. What about the color? We might have to order one to get the right color.
What color do you want?
We like that wheat color, with the lighter seats. That was in the
Yeah, this is too
224.
dark. But
I mean, I think this is. I know you were hesitant with the slide, but
Slides are different now.
is there a button to make it slide out?
yeah, right here.
Oh, okay. So the slides are right there. The awning's right there.
Look, we can put our shoes right there, so they're not all over the place.
More storage.
And
Outdoor
it has the
kitchen.
outdoor kitchen, yeah.
This is the one.
All right, let's go around. I want to see if it's got an outdoor shower on the other side like our old one used to.
Okay.
This is the one. Oh, it does. It does.
Cool. Outdoor shower. There's the power.
I agree. Everybody can be comfortable and spread out so we know how we have different personalities.
Dad, we got a sign.
What?
The green dragonfly.
Oh,
It says we need this.
okay.
So it's the same. I like it.
Is this the same one? But I wonder if they have one with a different color.
Look.
No, that's,
Oh, look.
yeah, it might.
No,
Oh.
this is 265 RLF.
All right. So 69, 7,000 pounds. Where'd you put your mother?
I mean, here's the thing. How much?
284 BHS.
$2 grand. So you have to
I like the other one.
say.
Yeah, this is like mom and dad's.
This is like camping.
Yeah, this
We
is.
just went in that one, and it has like the front living room and the 2 recliners and stuff. And I'm
Yeah.
like, this is a retirement.
Yeah, no, this
So this
is.
one has the couch added to it with the.
It's just longer.
Yeah, it's a longer camper.
The other one has room for me on the other side. Not with my luggage.
Yep. All right. $242 BHS is the one I think we're gonna go with. So we ended up buying, which one did we buy, Alysse?
240
42?
BHS.
Yeah.
So they got to get it fixed up. I got a couple added accessories put on it. So next week we'll go to pick it up after they got everything put on it. So thanks for watching.